about our new tilt mechanism covers that we've come out with. So the original cover was the accordion style like we have on this shampoo bowl here. Then we went to what we call the clamshell style, which is a hard plastic. So the purpose of this video is to discuss how to install that. Now we have a video that talks about how to replace the tilt mechanism on a bowl already on YouTube. We also have one that talks about how to replace the sewn cover, and we have one that talks about how to adjust the range on the bowl after you get this cover on. But today we're going to talk about how to properly orient the covers. So we have a bowl over here that we've removed, and this is the two pieces of our clamshell device. So if you look on the bowl and you look at the bottom half of the clamshell, it has the two additional holes. This is the bottom section, and it matches up with the cutouts for the springs that are in the tilt mech. So it sits on like that, and then you'll set your tilt mech down in that system. So if you had this mounted to your bowl, you would drop it down here. First, you're gonna have to mount it to your bowl. That's where the difficult part comes in. If you notice, this section of the device, of the clamshell, is thinner in the front. So we're going to do the same thing when we mount on the bowl. We're going to take the thin section of it, and we're going to mount that on the bowl. As you can see on this bowl here, we already have one mounted, and the thin section is to the front. And so it has 4 holes that line up with the 4 mounting bolts that go in the bottom of the bowl. Again, we have a video that shows you how to put this on. So turn the thin section to the front, install your tilt mechanism, and then you will turn around and set the bowl and tilt mechanism onto the bottom section, and it only goes one way. And again, thin to thin in the front. And the reason for that is it allows more forward tilt to the bowl without exposing the back of the tilt mechanism. If you have any questions on how to install these, feel free to call us at Collins Manufacturing. We'll answer any of your technical questions. Thank